Hey, hello, and welcome back to Minutes to Purpose Discovery, a special series of moments of growth and transformation with your darling host, Tosin Opeoluwa. This episode is for those who want to discover their purpose, profit with their purpose, and transform to their desired version unapologetically. In the last episode, you can go back to listen if you want. I've established the reason why we need purpose. I've established what is purpose, how to know your purpose, why it's important to know your purpose. So today, let's start with yet another big question. How do I clarify my purpose and also profit with my purpose? Now, this is simply going to be an outline because this is what I coach women on. I have coached several women who are coming out of domestic violence into their space of empowerment, and they have lived a good life with their children afterwards. I've helped women to take back their life, and many of them now live in abundance, and they are now giving back to the society. So, one, you need to clarify your purpose by knowing your purpose first. You go back and see the foundational videos on what is purpose and how to know your purpose. Two, you need to understand the core of your message, which is the result you have had in your life as a result of personal transformation journey, from your pains to triumph, from your skill, your gifts, your expertise, and your talents. Those are the ways by which you can know the core of your message. Number three, know your message and who your message is for. I work with women aged 18 to 55 who wants to discover their purpose and build a brand from their purpose so that they can leave the past behind and enjoy the future and be able to impact others also. So choose the outlet for your message. Do you want to use book, videos, or both? This is where I coach you the A to Z of what to do and how to step into your purpose. And guess what? I teach Christ principle in Matthew 4, chapter 12 to 25. They work every time because that's the principle that Christ actually used to lead his followers and be able to accomplish his purpose on earth. If you really want to understand your purpose and profit with it, remember, purpose is not necessarily about how much money you make from it. It's about how much satisfaction you derive in doing what God called you to do and how much pleasure God derives in you by you doing what God calls you to be and to do. Because all things are made for him. In him we live, we move, and we have our being. And in the next episode, I'll be talking about why do I need transformation. However, you can go watch the last one or listen to the last one on why is purpose actually important. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.